Hey everyone, it's Marlena Burton. I want to welcome you to Nexus Snap. Just say yes, guys. Stay the course. It will literally change your life. Go to nexussnap.com/say yes now. Give me a call, 618-223-6006. You got $10. Let's do this, guys. All right? Thank you so much.
Glad you're here. Welcome to Nexus. Super excited about a fast start promotion that we got going on right now. That's going to allow you to make a lot of money in our residual recurring income plan. It's called Go Pro. Okay, excited to walk you through it. As you know, we have a 3x10 force matrix, right? And a matrix means that there's only three positions underneath you, and once those three positions are filled, either by you or by the people above you, everyone else goes on to the next level until the 9 spots are filled. And then everybody goes on the third level to that's filled, and then the fourth and the fifth, and it goes all the way down through 10 levels. Okay. Now, the great thing about the matrix is it rewards people just for being here. Okay, with 0 referrals, you can actually earn up to 8 levels deep. If that was full, you could earn a maximum of $2,460 a month, or almost $30,000 a year. If it was full, all those levels, all those people on 8 levels was filled up. Okay. With one referral, just one referral, we open up the 9th level, and that means your potential earnings literally triples to earn over 7,000. Okay, again, assuming everything is full in the matrix. Okay, with 5 referrals, that's pro. Okay, that's pro. When you get 5, you're a pro in our company. We open up the 10th level, and that maximizes your earning, triples everything again. And so your potential earnings goes up over $22,000 a month. Okay, so but the great thing about our matrix is that we have a check match. Okay, on personal referrals. So our matrix check match works like this: when you become a pro, okay, 5 personal referrals, you get a 50% check match. Meaning, if some of your referrals get a $10 check in the matrix, you would get a 50% bonus, $5 on each of them. If they got a $100 check, you would get 50% bonus, $50 each. If they got a $1,000 check, you get 50% bonus, 500. If they got a $10,000 check, you get a 50% bonus. Okay, $5,000, right? Now, when you reach 1 star, that's about 100 people in your team. Okay, not you personally, but your entire team. You get a 75% check match, and when you get to a diamond, that's about 1,000 people in your team. You get 100% check match, okay, on your personal. Meaning, if they make 1,000, you make 1,000. They make 10,000, you make 10,000. They make 100, you make 100. Whatever they make, you make, okay. Bonus. That's on top of your matrix, okay. But here's the promotion that we have right now. Go Pro in your first 30 days of being a premium member. Go Pro in your first 30 days as a premium member, and guess what? We're going to pay you as a diamond. We're going to pay you the 100% check match as a diamond. Okay? And the cool thing about it is, in order to maintain that 100% check match, all you need to do is refer 1 a month after that and keep getting the 100% check match. So if once you go pro, okay, and let's say if you joined a week ago, right, you still got 3 weeks left. 3 weeks left. You have 30 days. If you joined 2 weeks ago, you still got 2 weeks left. Okay, more than that. Okay, but your first 30 days. Okay, so whenever you join, you become a premium member. Go pro in your first 30 days. Okay, and we're just going to pay you like a diamond. Now, what does that mean? Okay, well, I grab some examples here as the members here, and I just grabbed a couple of people. I'm not making income claims or anything else like that. I just took a couple of people's back office and I looked at their matrix. 3x10 matrix. This person made almost $30, $29.50. But look at what the check match does. That's what 100% check match does. Okay, it doesn't just double what you're making in the matrix. It literally triples it. I mean, in this case, it triples it. Here's somebody, $29 in their matrix, $89 in total matrix earnings because of the check match. Okay, so that's triple. Okay, as it gets bigger, it actually quadruples, and depending on the number of people that you refer, right? So here's somebody, $154 in their matrix. Okay, not a lot of money, but it's residual, and it's just getting going. It's going to grow, right? $154 in the matrix, But look at the total. That's 4 times the amount. 4 times the amount, $628. So, I mean, think about it. You could theoretically put a zero on this as an organization builds out. So it would be like not 154, it would be like 1,500. Well, that means your total matrix earnings would be 6,000. Okay, so that's pretty amazing. Okay, again, I'm not making income claims. I'm just using illustrative, real world examples of people. One more quickie. Here's someone's made $250 in the matrix, nice round number. Okay, but look at what happened with the total income because of the 100% check match. Because of the 100% check match, it's 4 times the amount of money that you can make. So again, you could put zeros on this. Theoretically, when this thing builds out, that would be 2,500, and that would be over 10,000. And this is just a check match or part of the residual plan. Okay, we still have the coded bonus, we have all the fast start bonuses and everything else like that. So this is something that you can lock in now and get paid as a diamond, as if you have 1,000 people underneath you, get paid as a diamond, and just by getting 5 people in your first 30 days. This is an incentive that I want you to win because it's going to be super lucrative for you, but I also want your team to win as well. Because think about how your organization can grow, right? You can get 5, and they have a massive incentive to get 5. That's 25 people in the team who now have a massive incentive to get 5 in their first 30 days. That's 125 people who have a massive incentive to get 5, right? You see what's going on here? Everyone has a super incentive to get 5 in their first 30 days. And one thing I've learned about this industry, success loves speed. So here you go. We're off to the races. Welcome again. Let me encourage you, go pro in your first 30 days, okay? And it's really, really simple. Watch the videos to get your app set up. Use your apps, right? And then share your cashback savings stories and your links to enroll other people. Okay, welcome aboard again. Look forward to paying you as a diamond